the way, the waves on the lake right there, as you can see, those are moving in the circulation of the hurricane clouds.
So this Hurricane Matthew, it's supposed to be here between 4 and 12, but it's not here yet. If you can see, it's not really that bad yet, but they're saying that it's supposed to be horrible, it's supposed to rain.
I'd be very surprised to have this thing lose very much strength. It has jet fuel to work with 90-degree water temperatures as it cruises through the Bahamas. Storm surge of about 7 feet. Now what's that? Well, that's
supposed to be terrible. Let's see if it is. Don't touch it.
Wait, how much money do I have?
Segurou bem, olha lá, olha lá.
Yeah.
Imagine next to the coast.
And you know, I want to wish whoever's watching this, if you were affected by the hurricane, may God bless you, may God protect you, may God bring you guys to either a better place or to restore everything you guys used to have. I'm not sure how this one's gonna turn out, but I pray that it's the best.